Today I am going to show you how to make your very own functional black hole right at home. Please remember, this is a completely informative video. Do not try this at home unless your home is located at least 50,000 light years away from the nearest populated solar system. To get started, you are going to need a few basic supplies. First, you will need a star. And no, you cannot use our sun. It is way too small. It does not have the mass, and frankly, we are currently using it to live. You are looking for a star with at least 15 to 20 times the mass of our sun. A blue supergiant is perfect for this. Pro tip, tag that one strong friend who always helps you move furniture because you are going to need their help dragging it back to your garage. You will also need a giant planetary scale French coffee press, 3 desk fans for cooling, and a little wooden house just for good measure. Let us get started. Once you have successfully stolen a star from the cosmos, you have 2 options. Option 1 is the natural method. This is great for those of you who have a lot of patience and billions of years of free time. Basically, you just wait for the star to run out of nuclear fuel. Once it stops fusing hydrogen into helium, the outward pressure drops and the core collapses under its own immense gravity. It is a completely organic, non-GMO process. The outer layers will blast away in a beautiful supernova, which will instantly vaporize you and your entire zip code, leaving behind a beautiful, locally sourced singularity. But who has a few billion years to wait, right? Let us talk about option 2. Option 2 is for the impatient crafter. We are going to manually compress our star below its Schwarzschild radius. The Schwarzschild radius is just a fancy science term for the point where an object is squished so small that light cannot even escape its gravity. Just take your giant coffee press, toss your star inside, add your fans and your little house. Why? Because DIY is about expressing your personal truth. Now, push down on the plunger. Ta-da! You have manually triggered gravitational collapse. You now have a homemade, functional black hole. Now that you have your black hole, let us talk about maintenance. It is incredibly low maintenance. You do not have to water it. In fact, it will water itself by violently consuming your plumbing. It is also the perfect garbage disposal. Leftover dinner, junk mail, unpaid parking tickets, just toss them into the accretion disk. Look at that spaghettification, so aesthetic. One major safety tip, I highly recommend not getting too close to the event horizon. If you cross that threshold, not even light can escape, meaning your physical form will be stretched infinitely across the cosmos, and you will experience time standing completely still while you are crushed into an infinitely dense point of nothingness, which would really ruin your weekend plans. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and successfully created a tear in the fabric of the universe, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what star you used for your black hole, and do not forget to tag the friend who helped you carry it. Subscribe for more life hacks, and I will see you in the next one, assuming space and time